Hey there, everyone. Thanks for tuning in. Today, we'll embark on a captivating journey through the digital realm, exploring the potential financial fate of a tech titan, ChatGPT by OpenAI. Could 2024 be the year of doom for the behemoth? Buckle up, let's dive in. For the uninitiated, ChatGPT is not your ordinary chatbot. Developed by OpenAI, it stands tall as one of the world's most sophisticated chat agents, assisting in diverse arenas from customer service to edutainment. But, like any technological marvel, this comes with its own price. Literally. OpenAI has quoted a whopping $700,000 daily operating cost for ChatGPT. Just imagine that. It's like buying a small island every single day. However, storm clouds seem to be gathering on the horizon. User engagement, the lifeline for any service, is seeing a dip. While it's hard to pinpoint an exact cause, speculation ranges from the emergence of new, shinier chatbots to perhaps ChatGPT losing a bit of its initial sheen. It's not just about declining numbers, though. The tech world is a gladiator's arena. Fierce competitors are emerging, some boasting even advanced features, threatening to woo away ChatGPT's clientele. So, is it all doom and doom for our friend, ChatGPT? Before we jump to conclusion, let's consider the silver linings. OpenAI, the brain behind ChatGPT, is not one to rest on its laurels. The team there is continuously tinkering, innovating, and ensuring ChatGPT remains on the cutting edge. Who knows, the future might see a more cost-effective, even more engaging version of our beloved bot. And while we speak of challenges, let's not forget the expansive terrain of opportunity. The chatbot universe is still nascent, its boundaries uncharted. As businesses worldwide recognize the potential of chatbots, ChatGPT's clientele could multiply exponentially. There's also the powerhouse collaborations OpenAI has fostered. Giants like Microsoft and Disney have joined hands with OpenAI, a move that could open revenue streams and ensure ChatGPT doesn't just survive, but thrives. So, what's the verdict for 2024? Will ChatGPT soar the skies or nosedive into obscurity? It's hard to definitively gaze into the tech crystal ball. Variables abound, and the tech terrain is notoriously unpredictable. However, you, dear viewers, play a crucial role in this narrative. Your engagement, feedback, and support can very much shape the direction. The digital realm thrives on collaboration and feedback. In closing, while uncertainties loom, hope persists. Only time will reveal ChatGPT's trajectory. But until then, keep chatting, keep exploring, and remember to always stay curious about the ever-evolving world of technology. Thanks for watching, and if you found this insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.